Aven's 400 series ESD Safe Soldering Station is a powerful, versatile, and compact station for your workbench. This station is ideal for general-purpose soldering as well as specialized lead-free soldering applications. The solder iron's tip temperature is microprocessor regulated, guaranteeing precise temperature control at the soldering tip. The large LCD screen displays the temperature settings in your choice of either Fahrenheit or Celsius on a clear backlit LCD screen. The screen also displays a blinking reminder indicating that the heat is on. The solder iron has a soft rubber grip and includes a pointed soldering tip as well as a ceramic heater to heat the tip quickly and maintain the desired temperature. This station includes a deluxe iron holder to safely house your iron when not in use, which also includes a brass coil for cleaning, a pull-out tray with a cleaning sponge, and compartments to store your extra tips and a desoldering pump.